Good afternoon, dear students. Aim of our experiment is to isolate DNA from the given material. The material required for our experiment is banana, ice chilled ethanol, conical flask, funnel, test tube stand, shampoo, filter paper, meager amount of water, mortar and the pestle. Now let us start with our experiment. First of all, we will be peeling off the banana and adding a very little amount to our mortar. Then it's being crushed by adding a little amount of water to it. Please continue with the crushing. More ripened the banana, better would be the crushing. Sidewise, we are preparing the concentrate of the shampoo taken. We will be adding little amount of water to the shampoo so as to dilute it as much as we can. Snehlata, please dilute it. Sidewise, we will be fixing the filter paper for the filtration of our banana slurry prepared. Is it done?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are having the slurry and we will be adding it to the filter paper so as to get the filtrate. We will give it a rest time so that filtration can be done. Now continuing with the process, since we have obtained enough filtrate in the conical flask, we will be shifting the funnel to the another test tube for the further collection of the filtrate, and then we will be adding the filtrate to the another test tube. Then shampoo is added to the filtrate obtained. Can I know why have I added the shampoo to it?
To digest the further protein, lipids and carbohydrates.
Very good. We have digested carbohydrate, proteins and lipids. Now only DNA is there which is left. Snehlata, please hold the test tube for me. And we will be adding ice chilled ethanol to get the final product. Are you excited for the results?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's see. Ice chilled ethanol is added from the side of the test tube. We let it wait for a few seconds so that DNA could be collected, and slowly and gradually we are obtaining the lumps of the cottony thread. And these lumps are of DNA. Now let us try and obtain the DNA on a glass rod. Now the spooling of cotton threads is obtained, and these cotton threads are nothing but the DNA which we have got the result onto the glass rod. More spooling can even be done, and that's it. Okay.